Hi, this is Vigneshwar, URK19CS1052. Now we are going to see about Infix to Postfix and then Postfix evaluation using stack data structure. In this program, I use C++ compiler. In this program, header file and using namespace std, we have a structure stack which has been top index of the element at the top of the stack, and we have the capacity of the stack, and actually stack is an integer type. You have to create a stack function which actually create a stack for you. We pass in capacity to do it. Then initialize the stack pointer. Stack pointer is not allocated a memory. We have just written a null, or otherwise we assign a top is equal to -1, which means the stack is empty. Initialize the stack is empty. We assign the capacity is equal to capacity, which is passed towards in the function. Then allocated memory is equal to the capacity of the stack. Memory is allocated return null, or otherwise everything will be written as the stack. In this function I use three operations named peek, pop and push. First empty. If empty, top of the stack of the function is equal to -1. Then you have to peek function returns the element of the top of the stack, and pop function. In pop function is empty, written as dollar symbol, or not empty, we return the element at the top of the stack. Now the third function is push function. In push function, push is an operator on the stack. Then we see that the struct is not created, we just return is -1, but the struct was created as per the algorithm. We run the loop, that is for loop. In for loop, I is equal to 0, expression I plus I. Push the stack function and or else into value 1 pop stack into value 2 pop stack. In this function I use switch case. In switch case 1 is plus and case 2 is minus. Case 3 is star means multiplication, and case 4 is division. Now in these 4 switch cases we use the push function. If case 1 plus is operator, other all push, or other minus is we put, all other 3 are push function, or return pop to stack function. In this program we use main function. Character of expression is equal to 231 star means multiplication -9 minus. See out postfix evaluation is evaluate the postfix expression or return 0. We see the output. I run this program. See, postfix evaluation is -10. This is my program. Thank you.